What's going on YouTube? GeoSnow right here. Today we have an update to the Dopamine Jailbreak, which is indeed very big. This video is brought to you by Share Reboot, a software that allows you to easily upgrade and downgrade your device from iOS 18 back to iOS 17 and stuff like that. Definitely check the program out in the link below. A free trial is available for both Windows and macOS. So the Dopamine Jailbreak, which supports iOS 15.0 up to 16.6.1, depending on your device, has been updated. Now this jailbreak is currently the latest and the best jailbreak available. It supports newer devices like A12 to A16, M1, M2 devices, and it does support a lot of tweaks. It is a rootless jailbreak, but rootless jailbreaks are indeed very popular and very powerful, despite what some people may think. And the jailbreak has been updated recently. There is an update from 5 days ago, version 2.2, and then another one 3 days ago, 2.2.1. The version 2.2.1 isn't really much of a thing. However, the version 2.2 is indeed very important. This is the changelog from it, and it does contain a lot of things, including code cleanup, improve launch the crash reporter in various different ways. It fixes cake hole on iOS 15, ARM64 not working. Due to better hooking techniques, a lot of unnecessary code has been able to be removed, so it makes the jailbreak lighter and faster, and it prevents a lot of crashes and weird bugs. There's also some jetsam tweaking. So yes, there are a lot of important changes here in the Dopamine jailbreak. Go ahead and update right away. It's available both as an IPA file and as a TIPA file for TrollStore. The recommended method to install this is using TrollStore though. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'm GeoSnow. Till the next time, subscribe to stay updated and peace out.